Hi everybody, it's me, Jarby. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. This video, you guys, is my Black Friday and Cyber Monday haul. I did not buy a lot. As a matter of fact, there are no handbags in this haul, but I do have just one handbag accessory that I purchased from Burlington. So, if you're interested, keep watching. Okay, so we'll start off with Burlington. I have things from Burlington, Ulta Beauty, and Nordstrom, and a couple of miscellaneous items that I want to share with you from various different stores, okay? So, Burlington, we'll start with the only handbag item, which is this Juicy Couture Raspberry Tart medium zip around wallet. It looked like this. I purchased this to go with my Juicy Couture Speedy in the same color. So yeah, I'm happy to have found this because I spent like what was it? I was going to say $9.99, but it says $13 here. So I also purchased some Tiger Balm Ultra Strength Pain Relieving Ointment because my knee has been bothering me lately. So a coworker suggested that I give this a try. So it's a really small, can you guys see? Little jar of it. And this was like what, $3.99, something like that. And then last but not least from Burlington is a Yankee Candle little baby jar right here. And I can't even tell you what the scent of this is. I don't have my reading glasses close by me. So yeah, just that. That is all that I have from Burlington. Alright, you guys, moving forward, I want to share a few things that I purchased from Ulta. You guys, I'm kind of tired. My stomach has been bothering me for the past couple of days, and I've been working a lot. I'm beat. So if you the reason why my voice sounds kind of raspy and all is because I'm tired, and I just thought that I would say hello to you guys. And I just really wanted to share this haul because today is a Saturday, and one order finally came in the mail today. So I wanted to get this recorded. So onward with Ulta. This is the Ulta Beauty Coconut Cream Scented Body Butter in coconut cream. And it looks like this. You guys, this stuff, I really like this cream right here. It is thick, it's perfect, very emollient. Is that the word? Did I say that right? I like it, and the smell is a coconutty tropical type of scent, and it moisturizes wonderfully. Try this, you guys. I was looking on Ulta Beauty for this product right here. This is their almond body cream, and it comes in a container like this, and it looks like this. But this is a discontinued item. I had purchased this like maybe 2 years ago. I think I purchased like 2 jars of this, and they no longer sell it. I think they replaced this item with this. And so I was a little bit skeptical about this, but oh, I'm glad I purchased it. It is nice. And from Ulta, I purchased these Neutrogena individually wrapped cleansing towelettes here. So yeah, I wanted some of these. And then I purchased this MAC Glow Lip Play Balm. Oh, This video is going to be full of lip products, you guys. I purchased a lot of lip products. Let me show you what this looks like. Here's the packaging. I hope my camera is going to focus on it. And looks like that. So this is what the product looks like. And I've tried it, and it's a nice little lip balm. I really like the packaging. That's very different from MAC in my opinion. So that. And then another MAC product. This is the Pro Longwear Fluid Line. This is their eyeliner in the color Black Track. And I just put that cream on my hand so I won't be able to open up this pot of I've purchased this this is probably about my this is my third pot of this, you guys. I love this cream eyeliner right here, and you guys should give it a try. I like it. So that is all that I got from Ulta Beauty. Then I made a order from maccosmetics.com, and I have 3 lippies from them that I want to show. This was my last thing to arrive in the mail today, and it came in a nice little box. Not a decorative box or anything, but just a nice box. And then they had it kind of like wrapped up in this right here. MAC had the 3 lippies that I purchased wrapped up in this tissue paper right here that I thought was really pretty. So we got 3 lippies here. And the first one is, y'all should have got my glasses. Hold on. Okay, I got my readers so I can see these names. So the first item is the Retro MAC Liquid Lip Color in the color Topped with Brandy. Let me see if my camera is going to pick this up. And it looks like this. That's what it looks like. See that? Let me swatch it. It's just a neutral type of color. Look like that. Okay. And then I purchased, let me see. This is the lip glass in the color Oh Baby. Let me see if it'll pick up. Looks like this. And let's see, let me give you guys a swatch. Looks like this. It's this one right here. Real faint. It's got a lot of glitter in it, and I generally don't wear glittery lips all that much, you guys. So when I opened up the package earlier today, can you guys see? When I saw how glittery it is, I was like, I haven't tried it yet, but I'll let you guys know how I like it. And then the last item from MAC.com was just a backup of my lip glass, which is my favorite lip gloss. And so that is all that I wanted to share with you guys that I purchased from MAC Cosmetics. All right, so I'm back. Let me show you a couple of miscellaneous items. I was running out of my everyday vitamins, and so this is my vitamin of choice. It's called Choice One, and it comes from HSU and Company. This is a store that is like a health food, not a health food store. They don't necessarily sell groceries there, but it's like a Vitamin World. If you've ever been inside of a Vitamin World, that's what HSU is similar. And so I got my choice one, multivitamin. And another miscellaneous item I purchased from off of Amazon is this Kiss lash glue and liner all in one in the color black. And I used it for my eyelashes that I have on right now. So I've been practicing lately how to put on my eyelashes, and I'm getting a little bit better. Each time I apply them, I get better and better. So yeah. So that is all for my little miscellaneous items. Last but not least, I went to Nordstrom on Black Friday and I bought some lippies from there. And let me show you first this gift set of my favorite hand cream that I've mentioned before on this channel, my L'Occitane. It looks like this, and it comes with 4 different hand creams in different fragrances. We got Shea Golden Latte, there's Green Chestnut, and Shea Butter. So we got 3 of these. They're each at about 1 ounce each, about the same size as the Bath and Body Works little hand creams. It's the same size as that. So I got that from Nordstrom. And then 3 more items and that's it. Okay, and then also this is the Urban Decay Perversion Volumizing Mascara, and it looks like this in the color blacker, what did it say? Bigger, blacker, and badder. So just the color black. This will be my first time using this mascara. So let me see if I can take a look at it. I haven't even opened it. I don't even know what the packaging looks like. Oh, it's a pretty color. It's like purple. You'll see. Let's see what the brush looks like. Oh. So that's what the wand looks like. So we'll see. I'll let you guys know how well I like this mascara. Okay, now drum roll please. This is my big treat to myself right here. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna try to insert this clip. I have some items from Kroger that I wanted to show you guys, that I also want to include in my Black Friday and Cyber Monday haul. So I purchased this soap, this Kirk's Original Fresh Scent Castile soap, and it looks like this. I love this soap. It rinses off of your skin real nice. It doesn't leave any residue. I think I've mentioned before, I have mentioned before in previous videos that I love Castile soap, whether it's liquid or a bar. Have you guys ever tried this soap before? And if you have, what do you think? So yeah, I bought that. A Goody brand hair clamp. Looks like this. So just to put my hair up. I've broken all of my black ones, so I needed to get a new black hair clamp. And then this from Kroger, it looks like this. This is a pouch, and it's called Versac. Let me try to show you guys. That's the brand name. And then look, it has these little pom-poms built into it like this. You unzip it. So you see here, isn't that cute, y'all? I had to have it. I paid more than what I really wanted to pay for this dumb thing. Not dumb thing, but yeah, it was $10. I thought that was kind of pricey. but it looked like this, and I bought it because I've never seen anything like it before. So yeah, y'all see how it has a little miniature pom-poms on the inside of it. Hi. So yeah, and then last but not least, this is a exfoliating foot mask. No, it says Pretty Savvy Foot Peel Exfoliating Foot Mask Booties, and it looked like this. So yeah, this will be my first time ever trying a product like this. So yeah, it looks pretty interesting. I'll let you guys know in the future. I won't do a video on me applying this because my feet are not in the best shape right now. Honey child, these feet, they need a little bit of love, and I'm going to do it. I'm going to give my feet some love. I'm going to give them a little bit of attention. So yeah, that is it. Okay, you guys, so I did treat myself. This is my very first ever luxury lip product by Dior. Dior Addict Lip Maximizer. Look like this. And it's in 016 Shimmer Nude. And it looks like this, in case you haven't seen it. My first time. Here's the packaging. Oh, it's so pretty, you guys. Look. So, little basic doe foot applicator here, and I did try this, and I normally don't like lip products that tingle, but it wasn't that bad. We'll see. So there's that. And then last but not least is the Dior Addict Lip Glow Oil in 012 color Rosewood. And it looks like this. Look at that. That's so pretty. See the, I hope my camera's picking that up. So pretty. Look how big that applicator is. I think the most expensive lip products that I purchased are from MAC, and I think that's it really. Yeah. So you guys, that is all. I hope this video finds you all in good health and good spirits. If not, I hope that things get better for you, okay? So I'm steady on the track, trying to stay on track here with uploading as often as I can. You know, life is busy. Everybody is busy nowadays. And sometimes it's kind of hard for me to make videos. I'm trying to find a way that I can get some videos in when I'm tired. Mostly that means I don't show my face. So you guys, I really, really love you because it took everything I had to get in front of this camera today. So I was like, I have a little bit of time. Let me say hi to everybody. And yeah, everybody, stay cool out there. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Till next time, take care. Mwah.